What is the CISM certification?
Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM, is a globally recognized certification for information security management. Offered by ISACA, it focuses on managing and governing information security programs. Earning the CISM demonstrates expertise in risk management, incident response, and building security frameworks, making it highly valued for IT and cybersecurity professionals seeking leadership roles.
Understand the exam structure.
The CISM exam consists of 150 multiple-choice questions covering 4 domains: information security governance, risk management, information security program development and management, and incident management. You will have 4 hours to complete the exam. Familiarizing yourself with the exam structure and weight of each domain will guide your study plan and help you allocate time efficiently.
Create a study plan.
Start by reviewing the official CISM exam outline from ISACA. Set a realistic timeline, breaking your preparation into weekly goals for each domain. Reserve extra time for your weakest areas. Many candidates spend 2 to 3 months preparing. Build in time for review and practice tests. Consistent, structured study maximizes retention and reduces last-minute stress.
Study resources and practice.
Use the ISACA CISM Review Manual, official question banks, and reputable online courses for comprehensive coverage. Join study groups or online forums for support and clarification of difficult concepts. Regularly complete practice exams to simulate real test conditions. Review both correct and incorrect answers to deepen your understanding and identify areas needing improvement.
Exam day and beyond.
Prioritize a good night's sleep before exam day. Arrive early, bring necessary identification, and stay calm during the test. Pace yourself, flagging tough questions to revisit later. After passing, maintain your certification by earning continuing education credits. The CISM credential opens doors to senior information security roles and demonstrates your commitment to the field.